Grandma's recipe, just use vinegar. This is the secret. Let's start with just a few ingredients, guys. In a bowl, let's put 2 eggs, 1/4 cups of sugar, and mix everything very well. Then let's add 200 milliliters of milk, a good pinch of salt, and here's the secret, guys, half a tablespoon of vinegar. Let's mix it all and then add 2.5 cups of flour. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from, so I can send you that special hug on the next video. I love to know how far it can get. The batter has to be like this, and to finish it I added 1 tablespoon of baking powder, the one you use for cakes. And our batter is already done. See how simple and fast it is, guys, and super cheap as well. Now in a pan with hot oil, not too hot because then it will burn our snack, we are going to fry them, alright? Put a tablespoon of it inside of it, that it will make these little balls. After that, guys, I added some sugar with powdered cinnamon, and then you are going to pass all of these on this sugar with cinnamon. It's gonna be even more delicious. The sugar with cinnamon, guys, it's optional, alright? There are people who doesn't like cinnamon, but seriously, guys, it is essential. It's gonna give a special touch to it. And who remembered this recipe, right? Grandma's recipe, but the secret is in the vinegar. It's gonna let this batter fluffier and crunchy on the outside. It's super delicious, fluffy, smooth, and with a cup of coffee, there's nothing better than that. Look at it, guys, very closely so you can understand what I'm talking about. This recipe, if you have already made at your house or knew this secret about the vinegar, tell me down here that I want to know. And I'm gonna leave you guys right now with this amazing scene. It's giving me water in my mouth, seriously. So I'm gonna make mine and make it for you as well. I'm pretty sure you won't regret it. Seriously, you will surprise your family. I'm gonna leave now, guys. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us, and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. Thank you, and see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.